So let's just say the customer's got an old 10 SEER thing in the house, and they're going to upgrade to a new 16 SEER unit. So you just go ahead and you find your 2 points of intersection here, and you see that you're currently overpaying the utility company 37.5% more energy than is necessary with with the old machine that you got. And that's with not with us upgrading to the new machine. Now I understand if we went to a 16 SEER two-stage machine versus a single stage, or a 16 SEER inverter machine, which is a variable speed compressor, that 16 SEER rating changes, right? Because that technology is going to shift gears, and unfortunately the SEER rating does not take that into consideration. Not at the level that we know as contractors customers benefit from and how it's going to impact the utility bill. Now, the only way to prove that to a customer is to go to your manufacturer's weather data in the engineering tables that they provide in the specifications manual and see specifically what that is. So, for example, okay, 16 SEER on a 95-degree day, that's going to be what you're going to be looking at, is that 37.5% savings. What I'm talking about is we probably jumped to 21 SEER on an 85-degree day because we're more efficient since we're running on single stage. We're at a lower modulation on that inverter compressor.